Good afternoon, everybody. This is meteorologist Ryan Munn. You probably heard we have some rain and snow on the way across the state. However, it looks like it is going to be mainly rain and wind for most areas. Now, today we are looking good. We are just going to see cloudy skies statewide. It will be breezy as well, but we do have a winter storm warning posted for northern Litchfield County. That's where we are expecting several inches of snow to accumulate. Unfortunately, it is going to be a very wet and heavy snow, so we'll stick to many things like the trees and the power lines, and that could cause some problems as well, maybe some power outages up towards areas like Colebrook, Norfolk, areas in that part of the state. Most areas, though, not looking too bad. The forecast, though, for today, cloudy skies, and you will notice a breeze, especially as we head into the afternoon, really start to pick up. Rain and snow develop as we head into about 5 to 9 p.m. Temperatures will top out in the 30s to right around 40. Tonight, we are expecting a cold rain for most areas, and any, say, mix inland, even in the valleys, that will quickly transition over to rain. Temperatures will run in the mid-30s for most, but the snow and mix is going to continue in the hills as we head through the nighttime tonight and even into the daytime tomorrow. Let's look at the hour-by-hour forecast. 5 o'clock, we have rain on the doorstep of Fairfield County, if it's not already raining in that part of the state. And then notice the snow develops Torrington north up towards the Litchfield Hills, and this is going to be mainly a rain event for most areas. Now, however, this computer model isn't showing much in the way of mix for most of the state. I would not be surprised if this starts as a little bit of mix even in the northern valley over towards Waterbury, Danbury. You could be looking at a bit of a mix to start. I think this, though, transitions over to rain. And then tomorrow, maybe this expands a little bit as the atmosphere cools off overnight tonight. We could be looking at a bit of a mix in snow for some parts of western Connecticut, maybe Waterbury, a little bit of a mix and snow, but that will transition over to rain, especially as the sun rises for the daytime tomorrow. Mostly rain across much of the state, but this snow continues up towards the northwest hills. On the backside of the system, the winds shift out of the north and west, and we are going to see cooler air work in, and with that we could end as some snowflakes across any part of the state, even down towards the shoreline overnight Friday into the day on Saturday, and then that winds down and we are going to dry out for the day Saturday. What are we looking at? 6 to 10 inches for most areas up towards, I'm so sorry, I should not say most areas, 6 to 10 inches up towards Norfolk and the highest elevations of Litchfield County, a little bit south of there, 4 to 6 inches, and then most areas in the northern part of the state, so say for example up towards Windsor Locks, Hartford, there could be some coatings and maybe a little bit more over towards Stafford and the higher elevations of the northeast hills. But other than that, this is not a big deal. This is generally a cold rain for most areas across the state. Saturday, Sunday, even into the middle of the week, we are not looking too bad. Temperatures in the 30s and 40s, so we'll be on the chilly side. We are watching a system later on next week. Of course, that's still a week away, so we have to fine-tune those details over the next several days. But for the most part, as I mentioned, I'm going to reiterate one more time that we are going to see several inches possible up towards the northwest hills. This is generally a rainstorm for most areas. That's the latest look at the forecast. Have a great day.